Need to secure vital resources across the galaxy? Efficiency is key. Durability is non-negotiable. Moving essential goods? Time is money. Reliability is everything. When disaster strikes, seconds count. Versatility is paramount. Being prepared is the difference. Venture into the unknown. Discover new worlds. Your home away from home. Introducing the T-30 Vanguard Drayhawk. Adapt. Survive. Thrive.
Hey everyone, Cybervin Luis here, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to build the T-30 Vanguard Drayhawk. This is a C-class multi-role light freighter for the Vanguard faction. Built tough and versatile, the Drayhawk is the workhorse of the Vanguard, a multi-role ship designed to handle everything from hauling critical supplies across dangerous trade routes to scouting uncharted systems. Its compact frame belies a surprisingly spacious cargo hold, capable of carrying significant quantities of resources, food, or even a small contingent of troops. This build features new mods like Bad Tech Engineering and Mattel's Cockpits that I'm going to discuss later. So without further ado, let's dive right into the build. Alright, for the load order. First, we need the latest version of Avantech Shipyards in Trinity Aero Works for structural parts, latest version of Stroud Premium Edition, one-of-a-kind ships for the landing bay. Then, of course, we need the shipbuilder categories. Place doors yourself, PDY patch for SPE HABs. Shipbuilder categories patch for SPE HABs as well. Decorative engines enhanced. Then there's one paid mod that we need for the VTOL engines, front weapons, and cargo parts. This is the Bad Tech Engineering and Industrial Transport design by W.K. Baldwin. Check it out on Creations, and it costs 200 creation credits. This is quite optional, but I recommend this or his other ship design for the VTOL engines. For other free option, you can use the HopeTech VTOL engines by Keith Smith or the vanilla ones from Deimos and HopeTech. Next, we need the Mattel's Cockpits and Bridges Crew series, available for free on Creations or Nexus mods. It features new cockpit designs with rear door like Stroud Mayflower, which we are going to need in this build. Then of course we need the ship colorize, ship module snap and flips expansion, better ship part flips, better ship part snaps, BSPF patch for ship colorize, easier shipbuilding, and finally shipbuilding tweaks mod. Next, go to New Atlantis Ship Services and let's build. All required ship parts are available in this location with the easier shipbuilding mod. All right, as usual, we begin with the landing bay. Select the one-of-a-kind Hope 4 aft. Next, select the Atlas H40HE3 tank and attach it to the landing bay snap point. Next, select the Hauler 40T cargo hold and attach two of it on both sides of the landing bay. Merge the other one with the fuel tank. Next, select the Bad Tech Deimos belly and attach four of it in front and back of the 40T cargo holds. For the main deck, we start with the SPE 2x2 living quarters. Attach it on top of the landing bay. Next, select door 4 and attach 2 of it in front of the hab, then another 2 on the port side. Next, select the SPE 2x1 control station and attach it in front of the 2x2 hab. Then duplicate and attach another door on port side. Next, select the SPE 1x1 crew dormitory and attach it on the other front side of 2x2 hab. Then select another 1x1 hab, switch it to workshop, and attach it to the 2x2 hab. Select another hab, switch it to infirmary, and attach it to the middle. Then select SPE captain's quarters and attach it to the control station. Then check all the doors and make sure you didn't miss anything. Then, of course, you can change these habs to whatever you need. All of these are optional. SPE habs have plenty of variants to choose from. Next, select the Stroud-Mayflower Bridge and attach it in front of the control station. Before that, don't forget to attach another door in front of the control station because this cockpit mod requires the Place Doors Yourself mod to work. Next, select the 320cb landing gear and attach it under the cockpit. Then select the Deimos Skeg A and attach it to the landing gear. Next, select the 100 DP Slim Docker and attach it under the control station. Then select all and change the color to black. Next, select the Class C Avantech half-sized reactor and attach it on top of the infirmary hab. Then select the Class C half-sized grav drive and attach it on top of the 2x2 hab snap point. Next, select the Nova cowling 2 LPF and LPA and attach them on both starboard and port sides. Next, select this Avantech hull. Flip it into this direction and attach it to the Nova cowling snap point on both sides. Next, select the Stroud nose cap C and attach it on both sides. Then select the Intrinity Deimos skirt and switch it to bottom. Then select any part that you can use as merging tool, so we can merge these two parts together. Then you can put this aside, so we can use this as a merging tool later. Then select these parts together and attach them to the ship. Then, of course, do the same on the other side. Then select all of these structural parts and change the color to black. Next, select the HopeTech nose A aft and attach 3 of it at the rear. Alright, for the engines, we begin by selecting the Deimos Wing B. Attach it right here at the corner of the hab and Stroud cap. Duplicate and attach another on the other side. Next, select the Nova Cowling 2LBA and attach it to the wing B snap point. Then select the spine G and put it aside. Then select the Gillibrand Special Hab Snap Top Bottom on 25% wide. Attach this one to the Nova Cowling snap point. Next, select the White Dwarf 1000 decorative engine and attach two of it to the Gillibrand snap point. One engine at the top and another one at the bottom. Make sure both of them are attached to the snap point at the end, not the center one. As you can see, both engines should be placed just exactly like this one. Next, duplicate this cowling. Attach this spine G on this snap point and duplicate another one to the back. Make sure this one is slightly merging with the other spine G so it won't clip into the engines. Then duplicate and attach another one at the front, then attach this cowling on top of the other cowling. Then duplicate these spine Gs, flip and attach them at the bottom. Temporarily remove these spine Gs and attach them on top of the bottom ones for easier merging. Next, check everything again, select all of these parts and duplicate to the other side. For easier selection, temporarily remove this wing B, then select all of these, reattach to wing B, select all, and duplicate. Then of course attach the right engines as well. Just make sure it is attached to the correct wing B snap point. Then select all of these parts and change the color to white. Next, select the Nova fairing and attach 3 of them on top of the spine Gs. Then finally duplicate and attach on the other side. Alright, for the VTOL engines, we start by selecting the in-Trinity Deimos Cal Port 4 and Starboard 4. Next, select the Gillibrand Special Hab Snap Foraft at 25% wide and attach it to the Cal snap point. Then of course attach another one on the other side. Next, select the Deimos Wing E, switch it to starboard, and attach it to the right Gillibrand snap point. Then duplicate, flip, and attach to the other side. Next, select the Stroud Cowling 1 LAPT top aft, attach and duplicate another 2 next to each other, and switch the middle one to 1 LBST. Next, select the in-Trinity Deimos skirt port and starboard top C. Then select the Badtech 220CB landing gear. This is a larger and VTOL version of the 220CB landing gear that came with the Industrial Transport Design Mod by W.K. Baldwin, available at Creations. Make sure to check that out. Next, duplicate this gear to the other side. Change all of these parts to white and attach the landing gears to the wing E snap points on both sides. Then attach these Deimos skirts to the Stroud Cowling snap points on both sides. Then select all of these together and attach it to the Deimos skirt. Make sure to attach this one slightly inside and do that again on the other side. As you can see, both sides are slightly attached inner, because of the Gillibrand Hab snap we put in between. I did it like this to put the landing gear slightly inner to have a more seamless merging. Next, select all of these parts together and attach on top of the Hab snap points. Make sure that these Stroud cowlings are exactly attached to these 3 snap points right here. Then finally select the Vanguard Bulwark Shield Generator and attach it on top of this Stroud cowling. Alright, for the top hull, we start by selecting the Deimos bow for top of the cockpit and control station hab. Next, duplicate this cowl and attach it next to the bow fore. Then attach another one on the other side. Next, select the Deimos skirt port foretop and attach it between the cowl and Stroud cowling. Then duplicate and attach another one on the other side. Next, select the Class C Avonwarp 2-engine aft and attach it to the bow fore snap point. Next, select the Nova mini bracer and attach it to the Stroud cowling snap point. Next, select the Intrinity Deimos hull 2x1 and attach it in the middle. Alright, but before that, duplicate and attach another mini bracer in front of the Avonwarp engine. Then of course put it back in by temporarily removing the bow fore. Next, duplicate this Nova cowling and attach it on top of the Nova mini bracer inside. Then duplicate, flip, and attach another one in the front. Next, select the Stroud cap AY90, and we need 4 of these in port foretop, port aft top, starboard aft top, and starboard foretop. Now select all of these and attach it on the center top of the ship. Make sure it is properly aligned and should look exactly like this. Next, duplicate this cowl, flip and attach it to this Deimos skirt. Then duplicate another one, flip and attach to the other side. Temporarily remove and duplicate these 2. Duplicate this skirt and attach it in front of the cowl. Then switch this to starboard top A. Duplicate again, flip and attach it to the other side. Next, duplicate, flip and attach all of these end cowls at the bottom. And then select all of these and attach it to the ship. As you can see, it should attach right into the center of the engines and half skirts on both sides. Then duplicate, flip, and attach these front cowls at the bottom as well. Next, select this Avantech intake and attach 2 of it on top of the Deimos skirt snap points. Then finally, change the colors of the ship to any color of your choice. Alright, for the weapons, we start selecting an equipment plate and temporarily remove all of these parts together. Then select the Nova Mini Bracer and attach it to the Hab snap point. Then duplicate and attach another one at the front of it. Then attach the equipment plate on the side of front Mini Bracer snap point. Then do the same on the other side. Next, select the Tsuki Sasu 50K missile launcher and attach it to the equipment plates. Two merge missile launchers on this side and one on the other side. Then we can now put back all of these parts on both sides of the ship. Next, select the PBO-175 Auto Helion beam and attach 4 of it under the Nova cowling snap points. Then select the Badtech Obliterator 250 Mega Electron Volts Auto Alpha beam and attach 2 of it on the Stroud Mayflower Bridge snap points on both sides. Then finally, assign all the weapons. Alright, everything is nominal, and we are done with the T-30 Vanguard Drayhawk ship build. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me in the comments section. Up next to end this video, we have the interior tour and combat test. If you want to see more Starfield ship guide like this, consider subscribing to my channel because I have more ship designs to share. Thanks everyone, and see you again on the next video.